continue that pattern for the verse for a while. What I did is I put the left hand part as the bass part that you hear, and the right hand is the organ part. And it's a little complicated to put hands together, so I tried to write out as much of it note for note as I could. Let's start with the left hand. We're on a low E. Here's middle C. Here's the E we want. And I have my piano on an electric piano sound, and I think that kind of fits it better, but the piano will sound fine too. And we have a low E, and see the 6, so 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after that, you're going to go A sharp, B. And he only does that one time at the very beginning, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ba ba ba. And then we're going to do this figure for the rest of the time. We're going to do the E 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to do D, and then D sharp, and then E. So bum, 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 ba da bum. Alright, and you're going to do this measure 3 times. I didn't put it up there, but this block is 3 times. So this one's just once. And then 1, 2, second time, third time. Okay, so 1 time on this box, 3 times on this one. And then when the right hand comes in, this is a blues figure right here. Let me show you how to do it, because it happens a bunch of times. So I'll show you once, and then you can do it from then on. What you want to do is take your middle finger and your pinky finger and put it on B and D right here. Above it, here's middle C. So come up here, B and D on your pinky and your middle finger. And you want to take the A sharp and flip it right before, like that. So actually, you're really kind of playing the D with the A sharp, but you're flipping it to B like that. So if I left out the A sharp, it would just be. If I put the A sharp in there, it gives a little blues sound, and you use your pointer finger to the A sharp. And you do that 3 times. Bum, 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 and you just hold it out. And then we come up here and we have da, 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 bum. So we do this figure again, the A sharp, B and D, and then A, G, E, G, E, E. Okay? So, alright, and then let's go that far with left hand playing together. Now right here I wrote the left hand out note for note, because you're going to have to fit the right hand with it, so I think it's easier for you to see that. But this right here is just this part all written out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so you're going to play this first left hand E with the pattern there. And then you do it again on the next one, and then on the next one. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. There's a left hand E that comes in between right here, this third one. So together, together, and then left hand's all by itself. And then together here. So together, together, left, and then together. And then the left hand continues while the right hand holds and does E, E, D, D sharp, E. So hands together slowly on this box. Okay, continuing on, do the E 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, it's just the same pattern. I'm just, writing it out. Bum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have it again. And then ba ba bum. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ba 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 bum. Alright, but up here you're going to play right hand together with that left hand E. And then together, together, together. Okay, so starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm up here. Ba 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 bum. Alright, then play the G with the left hand E. Then the left hand's by itself right here. And then together, together. And then the left hand finishes. Okay, so starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm here. Okay? Now we get here, it's really syncopated. So everything's on the offbeat. It seems in the right hand. So we're going to do left hand 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on this E, we're going to play that pattern again with the right hand. And then an A here with the D. Then the left hand does the D sharp. And then with the E, we're going to do that pattern again. And again, this is just the left hand repeating again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. So let me do this box again slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now we get here, again the left hand's doing the same thing. Ba, 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 da, da, da. What I did to save room is I just put a black dot, and that represents this little pattern we've been doing. Okay, so each time there's a black dot, you'll play that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And if we put it with the left hand, we have 2 left hand E's, and then together, and then the left hand all by itself right there, and then together, together, and then left hand does D, D sharp, and then together on the last one. And then we go back down to the low E, left hand by itself, and then together, and then left hand by itself, and then together, and then left hand by itself. Okay, it's pretty complicated. You want to just get to where you can feel the rhythm instead of trying to read it up here. You want to just feel that. So let me start right here and do it slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're right here. 1. See, that's pretty hard. So let me do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that last E, you're going to come over here and do these 2 boxes, okay? So repeat back. This is still the introduction before the singing starts. So we're going to do these 2 boxes again. Then after you finish this box, then do this pattern left hand by itself one more time. And then the verse starts. Now here's what he does during the verse, the organ part, at least for the first measures of it. Here's what we're going to do in red here. See red and red here. We're going to do this measure and then this one over and over. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. And it sounds like this. Okay, so you play this measure. 1. And then you do this measure. Well, it's actually one measure divided into 2 parts, but this box and then this box. Okay? So let's go all the way through it again. Then this box. Second time for this box. Third time. Now we're here. I'm going to slow down a little bit. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're up here. Now we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back here, and I'm going to do that measure. Bum, bum, bum. So I'll repeat it back into these 2 boxes, and then do this left hand figure by itself once, and then we do this one, this one, this one, this one, red, red. Okay, so there's part 1. Hope you enjoy it.